Hi friends, this video shows how to open Google Play Store app and install apps and games. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, go to apps, select see all apps, go down, select show system apps. From this system apps, we need to select Google Play Store app. Let me select Google Play Store app. Select Google Play Store, select open. See, this is a Google Play Store. Go to top, here you can see apps tab, games tab. From here you can select one game, then install. We can also select one app and install. Here you can see search. We can search for apps or games, then you can select and install. This way we can open Google Play Store and install apps and games. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.